Hello everyone, John Cernuska here with MarineMax in beautiful Fort Myers. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on a 2021 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Kind of start at the aft of the boat and work my way forward to the bow. This one we have twin 225 Mercury Verados, really nice power. Walking through on the starboard side here, you can see a freshwater shower, which is really nice. Coming through, there's a nice aft bench. Very comfortable, very wide, very sturdy. When you're not using it, she'll tuck into the transom there right out of the way, which opens up this aft area for a nice fishing space. Nice live well here with cup holders. There's actually some tackle drawer storage on the port side of this box as well. Twin bucket captain chairs. I would call them buckets because they're kind of separated, but they both have flip-up thigh bolster, which is really nice, so you can use them as a leaning post, or you can sit a little bit higher. Obviously, really nice armrests that go up and down for you. DTS throttle and shift, real smooth, no more cables, everything's remote control. Nice 16-inch Marine, 4-inch vessel view, gives you all your engine data, pressures, temps, fuel burn, everything you'd want at your fingertips. You notice the really nice black new style hardtop framework, which is a big hit so far. Nice hardtop, of course. Here you have good access into a step-in head area. Your main battery switches, main fusion head unit stereo is in here as well. And you'll also have a freshwater shower here. Moving forward, nice lounge in front of the console. Notice the flip down armrests as well. And there's a nice storage box right here. More in-floor storage. Nice cushions forward. Notice the coaming bolsters throughout the whole boat. A little bit more storage here under this cushion. And of course, it's always nice to have the anchor windlass. It's real convenient, especially on this size boat. Again, if you'd like more information on this particular boat or any other model here in MarineMax Fort Myers, please reach me, John Cernuska, 239-297-4788. Thanks for listening.